Right then, it's been a while, about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks since I took the seal off the topper, which I've done the rest of the work on. You can't even see it there. We'll just, there we go. They didn't have the seal, they ordered another one for us, and took 2.5 weeks, so that's happened. The sheep, most of the sheep have gone to the other grazing. There's 2 left here. They weren't doing as good as the rest, so they're kept back to have some extra feed and just to make sure they do all right. So you'll hear them in the background. I've done. My dad came over and gave us a hand at the other farm. We cut up 4 ton of firewood, so the log splitter is still, not log splitter, the saw bench is still on the tractor at the moment. There's a few more bits, odds and ends to sort up here, so we might do some saw benching again still, but I am getting a bit fed up of that. I would like to use the topper. Haven't even spun it up yet. We don't really, well, we know it works, but we haven't even used it at all, which is kind of annoying. But we've had about 55-60 mil of rain in the past 3 days. Well, in the past 2 days we've had 50 mils of rain. In the past 3-4 days I don't even know how much that is, but it's a lot of rain. The orchards are, there's basically a ditch that runs through the middle of the orchards. Very wet, very quick, Angela said, so we won't be doing any topping immediately where we need to do the topping, unfortunately, because that's the bit that has to be topped. But we'll see about putting the seal in. In theory, it should just tap in, fill it with oil, and we're good to go. In theory. This seal here, £4.70, or £4.78 I think it was, so waiting a while for £4.78. All we hope, well, I really hope, it is the right diameter, because there's always the chance that it's wrong. It's happened before. I think I'm going to put some gloves on first. Not particularly fond of the smell of gear oil. I hope the cardboard box has kept most of the nastiness out of it. Doesn't look like it started rusting, which was my worry. We get our comically large hammer. Oh. I do have the proper tools somewhere, but haven't refound them yet. Right, that's sitting nice and flush. Can't remember that. What size is this one? Not that size. Oh, that one. Gee. Can't remember if I did the plug at the back out properly, so always best to check. That. Treated ourselves to some new funnels. Too big. no idea how much it's going to take really, so it's going to be a put a bin in and see sort of job. Don't mind if I overfill it, I just don't want it to appear out the front where the new seal is. It's my biggest worry. There goes the paintwork. It's 2 litres. I don't see anything yet. It's full. Should probably dig some of this out first. We've gone with a very technical tool of digging mitts. Don't really need to do this, it's just while you're there. In fact, I think I'm going to do much more, because the top bit isn't painted, but we're not going to paint that till we know it's not leaking. So that'll be a quick winter job. So all this will come off in the winter, and we'll pressure wash it off or something. I don't know what size these ones. Ooh. How about we put the plug back? That's blinding. Let's go through. Come on. Some of that greasy, oily stuff. I would go get the proper grease, but somebody tried to break into our shed that holds it all, so it's now a bit like Fort Knox. And to get anything takes takes an annoying amount of time for us. Hopefully for people trying to nick stuff as well. Again, this is all coming off along with all the paintwork, you see. This is all coming off soon, so when it comes off, we'll do it properly with proper grease. This is just to see if it works. I've not got my iron today. There we go. That's the one. I will say, I bought this socket set years ago. Very good purchase. Even dropped the entire case off a loader the other day because I might have put it somewhere a bit silly, and it survived. It didn't open, it didn't throw everything everywhere, so very impressed. I forgot what I said at the beginning about needing 2 spanners, didn't I? I'll be back. Everything goes better with the proper tools. You just gotta go find. And you probably won't be able to see anything. Come on. Oh, fine. That wrist is not happy still. Right. Not a very happy video, though. It does still work for now. Again, this is only for now. There's not a whole lot of topping to do. Come on. This is an easy one to line up. Oh, it's been a long day. There we go. Alright. So we'll put it back together. Hopefully next time you see it, it'll be out in the orchard over there, and we'll be topping, and then the orchard's will be sort of done for us at least. So people come in and pick up the apples. That's why the sheep have got to be out when they're out now, because they pick the apples off the floor, not off the trees. So we've got to clear away. Right. Hopefully it's done.